What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. It's been a while since I've had a video up, so this is going to be a pretty cool mod. It's been in the forums a lot lately, and I was like, why not do one? Somebody needs a little bit of help just on a simple mod, but it makes a big difference. So we're going to start on the Gen 2.5. Now, if you're not familiar, the Gen 2.5 bumpers and rear bumpers are a little bit different from the Gen 2. The headlights and the tail lights are also different because of the bumpers. Now, what we're gonna do is this mod here, all the windows will go down when you press it automatically. So, the front, the passenger, back driver, back passenger. And I got these with the blue LED to match the car, as well as the passenger side will have the auto as well. I also, since I do have a Gen 1 as well, since the beginning I've been looking for this grill for the longest time, and it's not one of the fancy ones, the JDM ones at all. I have to do a little work on it, so as you can see, it's got the usual rock chips and whatnot, so I'll sand it down, make it look pretty. It has a little crack right here, and it's missing the tab right here, so easy fixes. I know some will say don't paint it, and I'm sorry, but eventually it will be the blue onyx pearl, and we'll put this on the front of the first gen. That's a little bit later. I have so many projects that I have stored for the Gen 2 and the Gen 1. Getting a lot of other JDM parts from across the seas, so have some of that as well. But we will put the automatic windows on the Gen 2.0 Scion XP. So let's get to it. Alright, so these switches that we're going to put on are actually from a 07 to 2021 Toyota Tundra. So you can actually find these on eBay. I'll put the link in the description so you can go and see. And you can grab the description and just add like white if you want white lights, or if you want blue lights. They have different colors. I think red as well. But it should be easy to take out. So there's a Phillips screw right here. So we'll take that out first. Make sure you don't lose it, so I'm going to put it here in the cup holder. And normally, it's easy just to pull up, just like that. There we go. Now, as you can see, we have, should be, oh, it's just a pull. So you push down here, and then you pull. Now we will unscrew here and here, and we will add the new switches. Actually, let me take a look and make sure that it matches. Yep, same thing, as you can see. Take the screws out. Make sure you don't lose them. This one was a little loose. I don't know if it had been replaced or not. I actually bought this car about, it's like 2.5 years ago. So now we'll just take this off like that. Easy peasy. Now we'll grab the new one here. And we will put that in there. Fits perfect, as you can see. Looks good. It's perfect. All the holes align. Now we'll grab the screws and we'll screw it back on. Yeah, I think this has been actually changed because the screws are a little bit different. I don't know. I know that when I bought this car, I found some receipts when I was adding the USB ports in the front, and it was actually from California. So that's the port of entry for most of these cars, even the first gens. All right, so we'll put this back on. Here. Clips right in. Add that there. I'm gonna bolt it down. I have faith all these will work. Now we'll put the key on. Now as you can see, so the lights are blue except for the lock. That one looks a little bit red. I'll get a closer look at that. All right, so now we'll turn the car on. And look at that. Automatic. Even the back passenger window. So now we'll do it automatically go up. Automatically go up. Works perfect. All right, so now we're gonna do the passenger side. So we will take that one screw out, just like the driver's side. Put it in a safe place, which would be the cup holder. Go ahead and pull that out. Now this one has two, so we will unplug this bottom one, unplug the top one. Where's that little? There we go. Okay, so there's a little clip right here. You have to pull out, and then this whole thing will come out. Okay, so I figured it out. So there's this tab here, right there, and then there's a little tab right here that you push in. All right, so we're gonna push here. There you go. So as you can see, you got to push here, which is here, and then this piece here, which is right there. Now we'll take this off as well. With this piece, you have tab here on the side. You'll see these like long strips right there. Same thing on this one. So I got my screwdriver and I pushed one side and then the other side as well. So you got to push in on these tabs here, and it comes off just like that. So now this one that I bought is a little bit different because there's a wire that's connected. I don't know what that is, but I guess we'll find out. So this goes on here like that, clicks right in, and then we will click this one in as well. It was a little tough getting it in there. No, I wouldn't say tough, just you have to push kind of hard and you'll feel the click of the tab go in right here. And then here as well, what I did was I just pushed it with my screwdriver and it clicked right in. So now it's in there tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to hook these in first to make sure that it does work. So now that it's hooked in, I'm going to put the key in the ignition, put it on the on position, and try it out. So as you can see, not sure if you can see that, but they are blue. And again, the lock is red. So it does lock. And it does work, automatic. Now we'll put the screw back in, and that's that. Well, there you have it. We've put the automatic windows switches into the SCION XB. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.